We were asked to grow our presence in California because it helps having a partner nearby who you trust and who understands your unique challenges.
We've been working for customers and communities in California for decades.
But realize not everyone knows us yet.
What's a Foth?
Allow us to introduce ourselves. Meet the team, solve your toughest science and engineering challenges here in California.
By the way, it's pronounced Foth, and it rhymes with growth.
Nice.
Our clients in California face some of the toughest engineering and climate challenges, and we solve them.
We have a broad pool of professionals throughout our environment, infrastructure, and our production solutions teams. We use our internal One Foth project management system coupled with the latest industry software to support our clients and their projects.
The team that we have today in California can cover all disciplines. We have over 500 engineers across the US that can always support us to find the solutions for your toughest science and engineering challenges here in California.
Our clients are smart people with great ideas.
We're going to come up with several possible solutions that meet your expectations and your time frame.
We all come together to support each other no matter where the project is located.
We're helping our clients to solve the challenges that they face today.